Hello guys, welcome to my channel India Weather with Rival. In this video, I will explain all about the monsoon. This video will cover the following points. What is monsoon? How does monsoon occur? Where do monsoon occur? Impact of monsoon, and lastly, few facts related to monsoon. So now, what is monsoon? Monsoon is a seasonal reversing wind accompanied by wet and dry conditions or changes in precipitation throughout much of the tropics caused by asymmetric heating of land and sea. How does monsoon occur? During summer, the sunlight hits the surface of land and oceans. The land temperature rises quickly than the water because water has high heat capacity. The warm air over the land rises and thus low pressure area is developed over the land. Whereas over the sea or the ocean the air remains cool than the land. As a result, high pressure area develops over the sea or ocean. This air then brings the moist air inland due to pressure difference. This moist air then rises to high altitude and cools down, which then causes precipitation over the land. This is the reason why summer monsoon causes lots of rain over the land. This type of monsoon is called as summer monsoon. Also, it is called as wet monsoon because it produces hefty amounts of rain. Whereas in another scenario, during winters, this process is reversed as the land becomes cooler faster than the oceans. Thus, high pressure area is developed over the land and low pressure area is developed over the oceans. This causes the air to move from land to ocean. This air then rises and cools down, causing precipitation over the ocean. This type of monsoon is called as winter monsoon or dry monsoon. The summer monsoon produces hefty amounts of rain and has a dominant westerly winds. The winter monsoon has a dominant easterly winds and it causes minimal amount of precipitation and leads to droughts in some areas. Where do monsoon occur? Monsoon occur in tropics where the ITCZ Intertropical Convergence Zone moves north and south of equator in a seasonal cycle that causes wet and dry conditions. Monsoon prominently occur in South Asia and Southeast Asia. Other places where it occurs are northern Australia, western and equatorial Africa, southwest coast of Central America. Impact of monsoon. Impact of monsoon on weather is different from place to place. Let us see the positive impact. Monsoon provides fresh water for drinking, crop irrigation, etc. Good monsoon rain boosts economy. It protects from extreme heat by keeping temperatures lower. Negative impact. Torrential heavy rain causes flooding, landslides that leads to loss of life and property. Long dry spell or less rains or weak monsoon also leads to famine and droughts. It has a direct impact to the economy. Facts about monsoon. Number 1. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, meaning seasonal winds. Second, there are two types of monsoons: summer monsoon, winter monsoon. Third, monsoon is a seasonal reversing wind. Fourth, the India and Southeast Asia monsoon are the famous prominent monsoon. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.